Let's whip up some keto sourdough bread that won't betray your blood sugar. Start with 1 cup of almond flour, because nuts are smarter than grains. Add a 1/4 cup of coconut flour for those tropical vibes, and don't forget 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk powder for chewiness and gut happiness. Mix in 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, crack 3 eggs and stir in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and half a cup of warm water. Combine the wet and dry ingredients until it forms a paste. Trust the process. Let it sit for 2 minutes to firm up, then shape it into a loaf, score the top, and bake at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. Let it cool before slicing and enjoy with butter or avocado. This bread has 0 added sugar and enough fiber to keep your gut happy. Enjoy your low-carb masterpiece.